The humid Jamaican air hung thick and sweet with the scent of mangoes as Giftion leaned against the vibrant blue wall of his auntie's cook shop. 16, with a head full of defiant afro curls that seemed to absorb the sunlight, he was waiting for his cousin. That's when he saw her daughter's small figure, looking utterly lost, stood clutching a backpack twice her size near the dusty crossroads. She had dark hair pulled into a tight bun and eyes that darted around nervously, taking in the chaotic beauty of the bustling street. He knew immediately she was the exchange student his form teacher, Miss Blossom, had mentioned. From somewhere far away in Asia. Giftion, despite his initial shyness, couldn't ignore the look of utter bewilderment on her face. He pushed himself off the wall and ambled over, his easy Jamaican gait a stark contrast to her hesitant stance. "Yow, right?" he asked, his voice a smooth patois. "Welcome to Jam Rock." Mai's eyes widened, relief flickering across her face. "Yes. I am Mai." I'm supposed to meet someone from the school?" Giftion grinned, his gold tooth flashing. "That's probably Miss Blossom. She's running late, like always. Come, make we sit under the mango tree. The sun hot today." He gestured towards the shade of a sprawling mango tree, where a group of old men were playing dominoes with boisterous laughter. Mai followed him, a little apprehensive, but trusting in his friendly smile. Under the tree, Giftion told her about everything. He explained the rules of dominoes, the best place to get jerk chicken, Uncle Rufus, down the road, and the meaning of common patois phrases. He even shared a juicy mango he'd swiped from his auntie's shop, teaching her how to peel it with a knife and enjoy the sweet, tangy flesh. Mai, initially overwhelmed, began to relax. Giftion's warmth and easygoing nature chipped away at her anxiety. She told him about her family, her love for calligraphy, and her fear of starting at a new school. "Don't worry yourself," Giftion said, his voice reassuring. "Jamaica is a place of love and acceptance. We look out for each other. You'll be all right, trust me." Just then, a brightly colored minibus screeched to a halt beside them. Miss Blossom, flustered and apologetic, emerged. "Mai? So sorry, darling. Traffic was a beast." As Mai gathered her things, she turned to Giftion, a genuine smile finally gracing her face. "Thank you," she said, her voice filled with gratitude. "You made me feel welcome." Giftion winked. "Anytime, Mai. Anytime. Now, go learn some patois. And remember, respect due." As the minibus pulled away, Giftion leaned back against the mango tree, a feeling of warmth spreading through him. He might just have made Jamaica feel a little more like home for someone. And that, he thought, was a good thing.